Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the hottest balloon decoration kits on the market right now. The best green and orange balloon garland kit you can get your hands on. This kit is perfect for anyone looking to jazz up their party decor with vibrant colors and a touch of dinosaur-themed fun. Whether it's a birthday bash, baby shower, or a graduation party, this kit promises to deliver an impressive balloon arch that'll wow your guests. Now, let's break down what you get in this kit. It includes a whopping 92 pieces of balloons in various sizes and colors. You've got matte dark green, bright orange, and sunny yellow balloons in 5-inch, 10-inch, and one giant 18-inch size. Plus, it comes with essential tools like balloon strip tape and dispensing, making assembly a breeze. No need to stress about complex setups, this kit has you covered. Quality is key when it comes to party decorations, and these balloons don't disappoint. They're made from high-quality latex that's durable, non-toxic, and odorless. Whether you fill them with air or helium, they hold up well without the risk of easy bursting. This means you can focus on enjoying your party without worrying about balloon mishaps. It's all about peace of mind and a stunning party setup. Now, let's talk assembly. Even if you're not a DIY pro, fear not, setting up this balloon arch is straightforward. Just inflate your balloons, attach them to the balloon strip tape using the provided tools, and voila! You've got yourself a professionally looking balloon arch. It's a fun activity for the whole family, adding a personal touch to your party preparation. Get creative with color combinations and sizes to match your party theme perfectly. The versatility of this kit is another standout feature. Whether it's a birthday celebration, anniversary, or even a Halloween bash, these balloons fit right in. They create a gorgeous backdrop for any occasion, indoors or outdoors. Imagine transforming any space into a festive paradise with minimal effort. That's the magic of this balloon garland kit. Wrapping it up, if you're in the market for the best green and orange balloon arch kit, look no further. This kit from FEYG delivers on quality, ease of use, and versatility, ensuring your party decorations stand out without the hassle. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more product reviews and party planning tips. Until next time, happy decorating!